class. Today we will study class 10th maths chapter 3 pair of linear equation in two variable. Now today is the first day of this chapter, so we will discuss about introduction part. So let us come to the chapter introduction. What the name of the chapter is pair of linear equation in two variable. So when you remove pair of, what we get linear equation in two variable, and you think that what this equation in a two variable comes in class ninth chapter 4 linear equation into two variable. So let us recall class ninth linear equation into two variable. So first of all, linear equation into two variable. Linear equation equation in two variable. Okay, when we discussed let us discuss this linear equation into two variable. It is easy to understand pair of linear equation into two variable. So what we have studied in linear equation in two variable. So first of all, this is a linear means the degree must be 1. The degree must be 1. Equation means there the equality exists in the equation. It means LHS and RHS exist. Two variable means x and y. Okay, two variable x and y, a b, c d, um, wz. So any variable which are two. Okay, so linear equation into two variable, this is a equation who has a two variable whose degree is maximum degree is 1. Okay, and equality exists. Example is x plus y is equal to 2. X plus y is equal to 2. Here the degree of the x is 1 and degree of y is 1. And uh, there and the equality exists. There is a equal mark. LHS and RHS exist, and the two variable x and y. This is the linear equation into two variable. Okay, and what we have done in class 9, we have done y is equal to 2 minus x, and when we put the value of x, so what we have put the value of x, infinite number, we know that the number are infinite. So when we put the infinite numbers here, what we get, we get a y infinite. Okay, we get a y infinite. It means infinite number of solution. It has infinite number of solutions. Okay, infinite number of solution. Okay, so here infinite number of solutions, so y is equal to 2 minus x. So x now after that we will draw a, and we explain in a geometrical form, that is a graph. Okay, so first of all, geometry graphical form, what we have done, so x and y, we put the value of x, we put a maximum, that is 3 times. So when the x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 0. Okay, and what we have done in class 9, we plot a graph of, so what, 1 2 3 4 1 2. Okay, and x axis x dash, y dash. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. So 0 2, 0 2 is here because y axis 2. Here is 1 1, so we are here 1 1. 2 0 is here, and we draw a line. And what we can observe from the class ninth, we observe that uh, linear equation into two variable, what we get graphically, we get a straight line. Straight line we get a straight line we get a straight line. Okay, so what we have studied in a class ninth, we studied linear equation into two variable, where the degree of the equation is 1 and there exists a two variable. Okay, and the equality exists between them. It means that there is a, okay, equality now, and it has an infinite number of solution, and when we plot the graph of the linear equation into two variable, we get a straight line. Okay, the same thing here what we have done. So here is we add a pair. So pair means two. Pair means two. So what we have, so pair of a linear equation, so pair of linear equation into two variable. So pair or pair of linear equation, linear equation in two variables, two variables. Okay, now one thing also here, one thing also here, the equation of linear equation into two variable, it is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equation is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, the coefficient of x is a, coefficient of y is b, and the c is constant. Okay, this linear equation into two variable is in the ax plus by plus c form. So here is a pair. Pair means there is a two equation. So equations are in the type of ax1 a2x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, a1 a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. And this equation a and b both are not 0, not 0. Okay, and also b2 are not equal to 0, not equal to 0, and a1 is square plus b1 is square is not equal to 0, and a2 is square plus b2 is square is not equal to 0. If a1 and a2 both are 0, what we get, that is a constant that never exists. The uh, equation doesn't exist. It means if x is not here, y is not here, so how can you say that it is a linear equation in two variables? So variable doesn't exist, so it is only a constant. Okay, so a and a or b are not both 0. It may be one, maybe 0. Okay, but a1 and b1 simultaneously not 0, and the a1 is square plus b1 is square is not equal to 0. If a1 is 0, b1 is 0, then it is 0. But what the condition for this linear equation to two variable, a1 is square plus b1 is square is not equal to 0. Okay, so here what we have done, so here we in class 10th we have studied pair of a linear equation into two variable. Okay, so let us take an example, some examples we have taken, and some examples we have taken. So let example is 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, and 9x minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, do you know what do they look like geometrically? So uh, it means these are the two pair linear equation, but what we have studied in class 9th, if I plotted graph of this linear equation only, it means it means uh, a straight line we got. When we draw this line graphically, we got a straight line. It means in a same graph, when we draw these two lines, there is a condition, there is a condition. Okay, so what they look like, when the in the class 9th we got for one linear equation into two variable, we got a straight line. Okay, if there is a two lines, it means pair of lines, so what we it both have a straight line. So what the condition, the condition is maybe there will be two straight line in a plane, there will be there will be straight line, there will be two straight line, two straight line in a plane, in a plane, two straight line in a plane. Okay, only one of the following three possibilities can happen. Only one of the following, one of the following, one of the following three possibilities can happen. Three possibilities can be happen, can be happen. Three possibilities can be happen. So what we have get, the first is the two lines never intersect each other, never intersect each other, never intersect each other, it means they are parallel. Never intersect each other, it means they are parallel, they are parallel. If they never intersect each other, it means they are parallel. Okay, next, the two lines intersect at a point, intersect at a intersect at a point. Okay, so what will so intersect at a point, two lines in a graph paper. Okay, the third condition is they overlap each other. The two lines will be will be coincide. It means they overlap each other, it means the first line and second line also. Okay, okay, this is the two lines will be coincide, the three condition. If the when we draw a single pair of single two variable linear equation, so it will make a straight line, but it has two pair of a lines, it means the two lines never intersect, the two lines never intersect, two lines intersect at a point, two lines intersect at a point, or it may be they have both lines the same, it means 2x plus 3y minus 7, and second is also 2x plus 3y minus 7. So when we draw it, they overlap each other. Okay, these three condition exist in a when we plot a graph of a pair of a linear equation into two variable. Okay, so now here we take a example and discuss how it work. Okay, so in this video we have discussed about the what is pair of a linear equation. Class 9 we revised class 9, and what is pair of a linear equation into two variable, and what condition exist when we draw these two pair of a two lines in a graph. Okay, so next video in the introduction part 2, we have elaborate this introduction part. We take the example where we verify these two three points. If we take a two pair of lines with they never intersect, they are parallel, they intersect at a point, it means unique solution. They have a two lines will be coincide with infinite number of solution. So in the next video introduction part 2, we have discussed the further of pair of linear equation into two variable. Okay, so please any query, please comment in a comment box. Okay, so please like subscribe my videos. Thank you.